Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look. If you guys like this look, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure you guys turn on you guys notifications so you won't miss another video that I post about in this hair. I love doing short hairstyles. This is the Shake and Go Milky Way hair, and I love this hair so much. Guys, it literally took me not even that long to do this hair. Like, I be on the move with this hair. So this is a quick and easy hairstyle if you just want to just shake and go, and you don't have to brush your hair in the morning, and you just don't want to do anything in your hair. You just want to get up and just brush your teeth, do whatever you gotta do, and go. Like, if you're running late or whatever the case is, this is the hairstyle for you. Because let me tell you, when I used to go to work, I literally used to hate fluttering in my hair or whatever the case is. But this is something that's quick and easy, and you don't really have to do much too. So this is something good that you guys should look into. I got this in a number 2, in the color number 2. And I love that color because it really brings out my face. And, you know, I like the black too, but the number 2 is like a really, like a little off brown or whatever, and I like that color. So this is just something that I like. And yeah, comment down below, what do you guys think about my hair? And this will be a perfect hairstyle for you guys, for all the beautiful short hair girls. This is something that I love. Okay, let's just be real. And yeah, so we're gonna be chit-chatting and talking and, you know, being real on this channel. This is the real channel that we just get down to the nitty-gritty of whatever you want to talk about. So while I'm doing my hair, I'm gonna be just talking to you guys. I really want to know, why is it okay for men to disrespect women? Sometimes I just kind of feel like guys do it because women allows it, okay? And this is just coming from me. So I saw this girl being abused. This girl literally was screaming for help, and okay, she's like, call the police, and everybody's like, what happened, this, that, and the other. So you know me, sorry guys, you know me. If a woman needs help and I see it, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna, you know, help. Like, I don't give a heck what the situation is. I'm gonna help, because I feel like it's not okay for, you know, a guy to put their hands on anybody. And that's me. Like, I'm gonna be honest, that's just me, because I don't think it's okay. And she was like, help, while he's like dragging her out, and I'm like, that's not okay, and it's not okay. Women needs to learn how to say enough is enough, and it is what it is. If I can't put up with you right now, I'm not gonna put up with you at all. And it's just something that needs to be said and done, because he's gonna keep putting his hands on that person if you don't set it down, you don't nip it in the bud. I feel like if you don't nip it in the bud now, he's gonna continue to do. So I read this tweet on Twitter, and it was like, why do, well, some guys disrespect women? Like, it's just not okay. And I see this happen when I go out in the world. I see this happen a lot. And I don't think that it's okay. I honestly don't. I don't think it's okay to disrespect women. You know, I see different men like turning around while their woman's right there, or, you know, looking back, or, you know, something like that. And I don't think that that's okay. On this channel, I'm gonna be real as it can get, okay? And I don't want to have to sugarcoat anything to you guys. Like, I see this stuff happen every day. Enough is enough, and these women have to set their ass right. they really have to set things right with a man if they really want to put up with that type of stuff. I kind of think that, you know, it needs to be set right to where, you know, he got your back and you got his back, you know, on thick and thin, and, you know, stuff like that. And me personally, I would rather be single. I don't want to be that type of person where I have to sit there and figure out, oh, where he at? He haven't been here. He still haven't called me at this time, or he still have not texted me at this time. Like, I don't want to deal with that. Like, I don't want to deal with, you know, a person saying, you know, who's in your phone. I kind of think that that's just something that I'm doing, just observing. And I don't even want to date. That's the thing. I don't even want to date. When you date, it's like you tend to get closer to them, like, or you want to build a relationship with them, and that's just the whole point of dating, right? Like, I don't want to do that. I kind of feel like I just want to just be single and not even mingle. These guys are getting beside themselves. What do you see in him hitting on you? When you allow something, that's just what it's gonna be. When you allow it. And for me, I'm gonna be single for I don't know how long until I feel like, you know, I'm ready. And if you guys, you know, it's okay to be lonely, and that's just what I've been thinking. Like, I'm always a lonely person, but of course I'm gonna want somebody to text, and I'm gonna want somebody to talk to, but right now I'm fine. Like, at the end of the day, when you think of something, it go away, because that's just the way it is. It's just a thought. And I kind of, you know, I just don't think that I want to be bothered with anybody right now. I just kind of think that that's kind of where I'm going with that. You know, I have to say to you guys, because enough is enough. Like, I have to stop being that girl that's like, oh, I'm not going to say this on my channel, I'm not going to say that. But girl, it is what it is. And I have to be the one to, you know, tell you guys, hey, if he's sitting up there embarrassing you and, you know, not thinking twice about it, that ain't the one. And he's going to continue to do that. And when he continues to do that, it ain't gonna be non-stop. That's just what that is. It's not gonna be non-stop. And that's just something that, you know, gonna happen. But yeah, it's always that type of person that really wants to put you down. And you have to be the one to say, no, you can't put me down. Let me tell you guys, as soon as you do that, he's going to be trying to run back to your ass. And it's like, you know, he's going to be trying to run back. And when you say no, oh, he's going to love your ass. He's going to love you. And he's going to chase you until you pick up that phone. But when I tell you, if you don't pick that phone up, he gonna be at your doorstep. He gonna be there. Like, it's like non-stop. Like, he's going to be there. But I have to tell my girls, you guys, that stop putting up with these, no good dudes. It's like, okay, he's fine. Okay, yeah, he's fine. But what can he do for you? Have you ever asked him that? I don't want to go out to dinner. See, that's the thing. Guys literally, like, every time I go out somewhere, it's like, can I take you out to dinner? I say no. Like, I don't want to go out to dinner. I don't want to go out to dinner. Like, I can take myself out, okay? So I'm going to be using this long piece right here. And I'm going to be just, I kind of feel like, you know, we do that to ourselves. Like, it's like, we might say that, oh, I'm not going to deal with that, but we end up dealing with that anyway with these guys. And it's like, baby girl, you don't have to put up with that. You really don't. And I'm telling you, because I've been there and I done that, and I didn't want to be abused anymore. I kind of feel like I didn't want to be abused anymore, and it was like, enough is enough. I'm gonna hang you up, and I'm just gonna get to stepping. Like, if you can't respect me as a woman and you think I'm this little girl, it's time for you to go. I kind of feel like I got this platform to say what I have to say, and it's like, you know, I can't sit here and just not use it, you know. I have to talk to you guys, and it's like, you know, enough is enough. Hopefully I'm not talking you guys' ears off, because I just want to talk to you guys, because I don't really talk to you guys while I'm doing my hair. It's like, you gotta get out of that. When this hair gets tight, it gets tight. If you're the type of person that don't want to cut your hair or something like that, this is the best move. But I suggest you get a dome cap. That's one of the thicker caps, so that you can like take it off. And that's just something that I will do. Like, if you're not trying to mess up your edges or something like that, I would rather get a dome cap just to, you know, do this. This is just something that I really wanted to talk about, because, you know, people don't really talk about stuff like this, and I have to be the one to say, hang it up. Like this hairstyle, make sure you guys comment down below. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and also make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys turn on you guys notifications so that you won't miss another video that I post. And yeah, this is the finished look, guys.